Welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how to boost your YouTube view. We are going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search on www.growbetter.net. As a first time and note, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you put all your social media like TikTok, Facebook, Telegram, AudioMac, YouTube, and other social media apps. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up on growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple. If you just follow these few steps I'm about to show you, just click on the sign up button. It will bring you to this space. You create a username, input your email, create a password and confirm password. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Once you have filled in all these details, you click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to sign up with growbetter.net. I have an account already. I'll just input my details and sign in. Once you are signed in, it will bring you to this page. This is how the website looks like on the inside. And on this video, as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to boost your YouTube view. Before we get into the video, I want you guys to note that getting any service on this website is not free. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fun on your account before you make any order on the website. It's not free. Note that you have to fund your account before you place any order on the website. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You have to scroll down and look for YouTube service. YouTube service, as you can see right there, you click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. There are varieties of services there, as you can see right there. There are varieties of service, and as I said earlier, we are doing YouTube views, right? And as you can see there, that's YouTube view. You click on it. Down here you see link and quantity. Under this link you have to input the video link, and under quantity you have to input the amount of views you want to get for that particular video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy video link direct from YouTube. All you have to do is minimize. You go to YouTube. This YouTube, right, you click on this channel, you click on view channel, you click on videos. It will bring you to video space, right? You just click on any video you want to get views for. I'm clicking on the second one. You click on the three arrow right here. You click on share. It will bring you to this space and you click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you just minimize, you go back and input your link where you have been asked to input your link. For the purpose of this video, I'm inputting 100 view, and you click on done. Once you have input your correct link and the amount of view you want to get for that video, you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to boost your YouTube view. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. Don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button if you're first time coming across Know It Now. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.